How to create recurring tasks on monday.com. Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you about how to create recurring tasks on monday.com. So for example, if you're working on monday.com on a board and you have a task that you have to add on again and again because it's like a recurring task, so watch this video for that purpose and in the end you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into monday.com. Once when you're logged into your account, the next thing that you need to do is you need to click here on new board, and then you can see I'm working on this board, and there are three groups. One is labeled as to do, the other one is doing, the third one is done. So what do you need to do here? You need to go here on automation, and then you have to click on board automation, and then you can click here on new automation. So what do you need to do? Just watch this video. Here you have to write every time period. You have to click here. So what is every time period? Let me just explain you. Every time period is uh, used for items that come into our board on a recurring basis. So here we can set that recurring base. Like for example, if you want to add up an item daily at like 7:30 a.m., let's just change the time because it's very early. Let's keep it 9:30 a.m. So every day at 9:30 we can add a recurring item. It will be added on every day at 9:30. We can change it from one to like two as well, like every 2 days. Then it's going to do it after every 2 days. We can add three, we can add five, we can add six, we can add seven, and we can also do it weekly if we want. Like for example, every week on Monday at 7:30 a.m. it's going to add up. Let's just change it again to 9:30, and then we can do it after every Tuesday, every Monday and Tuesday, and every Tuesday, every Wednesday, uh, like so on. We can just keep on going till Sunday. Now, for example, what we can also do is we can have two every 2 weeks on Monday. We can just change the duration as well. Every 3 weeks on Monday, every 4 weeks on Monday, every 7 weeks on Monday, and like so on. Similarly, we can also do the same automation here monthly as well. Like if we do this every month on the first, or we can do it like every month on the 10th. And then, for example, if we need to do it like at least uh, 5 times a week, so we can just do this 2, 3, 4, and 5. So like it will be done 5 times in a month, 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. every month on the 1st, 10th, 18th, 26th, and 31st at 9:30 a.m. So this automation is used for that purpose. So let's just go with this, and let's just keep it like every 3 days. Then all you need to do, create an item. So here you can click here, and the group that you want to put it in, we can put it in this one. To do name, we can just name it example one, and we can add a person assigned for this specific task and status to do. Unfortunately, due to the recurring circumstance, we can't add, and we shouldn't add a specific date because it's going to be recurring. So monday.com won't allow it if we want to make it recurrent. So that's how you do it, and that's how you create an automation. So yeah, we're good to go. The automation has been created. Now every day, or every 3 days a week, sorry, every 3 days a week, if the status matches, every other item will be added here. So that's how you actually add a recurring task to monday.com. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.